Alright, hey guys, I wanted to show you something real quick. When you change your shifter on the RX-7, you have like a washer and a bushing inside of the turret. I'll show you real quick. In here, you see there's one washer and a bushing. And what I didn't know is you have two kinds of bushings. So when I bought mine, I watched the video and I bought this one. This is one that will also work, but you have two kinds of bushings in there and two kinds of washers. This was the system I had with like a flat washer and like two half moons and like no feet. This is one type and this is the other type. This will work as well. It has like one half moon, as you can see. It's already not the same, and it has like, I don't know if you can capture it on camera. Here you see these little feet, little squares for your washer to clip into. It's like this kind of washer, as you can see. It has like these feet. So it's a different bushing with a different washer. So before you go order your parts, look which one you have. I mean, I think if you have this one with like the flat one and you change it with this and that kind of washer, it will work as well. But it's like you can't combine like the flat washer with the purple one with the feet on it. So just look which one you have, and for the people that have this one with the flat and no feet, this is the part number right here, and this is the part number for your washer on this one. So this is like, it's like this, you see. And when you order, when you have like the one with the feet, this is the part number for that one. But I don't have the washer ordered, so I'll look into that. And this was like the back of this one, of the washer. And I don't know what this was. I think may have been this one, I think. I don't know for sure. But this video is about, you have two kinds of bushings, so that you don't mistake and you don't get the other one. Thanks for watching.